Are you ready to up your DJing game in 2024? Whether you're an experienced professional or an aspiring DJ looking to spin your first set, in this video, the top 5 best DJ controllers in 2024. From cutting-edge features to unbeatable performance, we've picked the best models this year. But that's not all. Stay tuned until the end because we'll reveal a hidden gem, a controller with a feature that can redefine the way you mix. Trust us, you won't want to miss it. Now, let's turn up the volume and start with our pick number 5. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Reloop Mixon 8 Pro DJ Controller. Whether you're a pro DJ or just starting out, this powerhouse has features that'll blow your mind. Let's jump in and see what makes it so special. First up, let's talk jog wheels. The Reloop Mixon 8 Pro isn't messing around. With its enhanced jog wheel design, you'll have unmatched precision for scratching and beat matching. Plus, the vivid on-jog displays keep you updated in real time with a virtual needle, playhead position, and track time. So intuitive, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Next, the FX paddles. This controller boasts 4 sturdy onboard FX paddles that feel incredible to use. Tweak your tracks instantly with tactile precision. Each channel also features a 3-band EQ and sound color filters, letting you shape your sound just the way you like it. Creativity has never felt so effortless. Need flexibility? The inbuilt standalone mixer has got you covered. With independent level meters, you can seamlessly mix digital and analog sources. Whether you're spinning vinyl or plugging in media players, the Mixon 8 Pro handles it all with style and ease. For the multitaskers, this controller offers a dual USB audio interface. Easily connect 2 laptops or even an iPad. And with USB-C support, it's ready for next-gen Apple devices. Seamless DJ handovers are now a breeze. No more awkward transitions during sets. Finally, the performance area. With 8 color-coded modes, including exclusives like Neural Mix and Touch FX, this controller unlocks your creativity. Whether you're remixing, scratching, or triggering loops, the spacious layout ensures every tool is within reach. So, there you have it. 5 reasons why the Reloop Mixon 8 Pro DJ controller is a game-changer. With precision, versatility, and cutting-edge tech, it's a must-have for DJs of all levels. Number 4. The Roland DJ707M Serato DJ Controller. Whether you're scratching, remixing, or live streaming, this controller is packed with features that redefine versatility. Let's explore why the DJ707M might just be your next must-have piece of gear. The DJ707M isn't just for mixing. It's a multifunctional marvel. DJs, live streamers, event producers, and even karaoke enthusiasts will love its flexibility. With inputs for microphones and audio sources, you can seamlessly stream to an iPhone, iPad, or other devices. It's a true jack-of-all-trades for creators of all types. Roland knows vocals are key, and the DJ707M doesn't disappoint. It offers 16 hardware vocal effects, including auto-pitch and pristine EQs. Whether you're improving clarity or experimenting with creative effects, your vocals will always shine. This controller lets your voice be as expressive as your beats, calling all production-minded DJs. The DJ707M comes with an onboard drum machine featuring 128 patterns from Roland's iconic TR collection, including the TR-808 and TR-909. Plus, its MIDI clock ensures perfect syncing with connected instruments. It's a dream for creating dynamic, rhythmic sets on the fly. For event DJs, the DJ707M is a lifesaver. With its customizable outputs, you can fine-tune every sound system. Anti-feedback on mics? Check. Multi-band compressors? Double check. Save all your settings in 10 scene slots and you're ready for any venue or event. Roland spoils you with extras like a 90-day BPM Supreme premium subscription. Access an enormous library of tracks, acapellas, and remixes designed to sync perfectly with your drum machine setup. Dual inputs for guest performers and assignable hardware effects ensure your set stays fresh and dynamic. So, whether you're mixing, streaming, or running a live event, the Roland DJ707M Serato DJ controller truly delivers. It's versatile, innovative, and packed with everything you need to elevate your craft. If you're ready to take your DJ game to the next level, this might just be the one. Number 3. The Pioneer DJD Rev 7 Serato DJ Controller. This 2-deck controller is packed with features that'll make your mixes unforgettable. Let's jump in and see what makes this beast tick. First up, let's talk about those jog wheels. These aren't your average wheels. Each comes equipped with an LCD display that shows track waveforms, artwork, and more. They feel like vinyl, giving you that classic scratch experience while delivering all the modern data you need right at your fingertips. Next, the 16 performance pads. They're responsive, tactile, and loaded with features like hotkeys, loop rolls, and samples. Whether you're a seasoned DJ or just starting, these pads add an extra layer of creativity, letting you spice up your sets with ease and precision. Let's not forget the Magville Fader Pro. It's smooth, durable, and highly adjustable, giving you the control needed for precision scratching. This fader is built for both casual transitions and intense battles, making it perfect for DJs who demand reliability and performance. Now, the Beat FX. This section is a dream for effects lovers, offering everything from echoes to flangers. The layout is intuitive, and the paddles make activating effects feel natural. Combined with Serato's expansive FX library, the possibilities are nearly endless. Finally, let's talk build. The DDJ Rev 7 is robust yet surprisingly portable. The metal chassis feels premium, and the layout is optimized for scratching and performance. It's a controller designed to survive the rigors of gigs while maintaining a professional aesthetic. So, is the Pioneer DDJ Rev 7 worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a scratch artist or love layering effects, this controller has something for everyone. If you're ready to elevate your sets, this is the controller for you. Number 2. The RANE 4 Advanced 4-Channel Serato DJ Controller. If you're a DJ looking for innovation, power, and creative freedom, this controller might just be your next best investment. Stick around as we unpack its features, performance, and why it's making waves in the DJing world. One standout feature is its integration with Serato stems. With dedicated instrumental and acapella buttons, stems pad mode, and a unique stem split feature, remixing tracks in real time becomes effortless. Whether isolating vocals or creating live mashups, the RANE 4 transforms your DJ set into a dynamic creative performance. The RANE 4 takes effects to the next level with its 24 paddle-triggered main FX and 4-channel FX controls. You can easily switch between hardware and Serato software FX, adding depth and flair to your mixes. The tactile aluminum toggles make triggering FX a smooth, satisfying experience. This controller offers a 4-channel mixer with advanced EQ controls, quick jog wheel deck selection, and sampler routing. Unlock the full potential of Serato DJ Pro and pitch and time for seamless transitions and creative layering. The versatility is endless, catering to DJs who love experimenting with new techniques. With 2 USB laptop connections, versatile mic and line inputs, and professional-grade outputs, the RANE 4 is built for any setup. Whether in the studio or on stage, this controller ensures you're equipped for any DJ scenario with pristine sound quality and robust connectivity options. RANE is known for its durable, reliable hardware, and the 4 is no exception. From the Mag 4 crossfader to its 8.5 high-res jog wheels with integrated displays, every detail is designed for precision and longevity. This controller feels as good as it looks. So, is the RANE 4 worth it? Absolutely. With its cutting-edge features, premium build quality, and creative flexibility, it's a game-changer for DJs of all levels. Number 1. The Pioneer DJD FLX 10 DJ Controller. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this controller promises to elevate your performances. Let's break it down. The DDJ-FLX 10 shines with its 4-deck capability, letting you mix and blend tracks effortlessly. Juggling multiple genres in real time feels like second nature. This feature makes it an incredible asset for DJs who love pushing creative boundaries and exploring dynamic transitions during live performances. The DDJ-FLX 10 features dual 8-inch jog wheels, designed for precision and comfort. These jog wheels are highly responsive with customizable resistance to suit your style. Plus, their vibrant LED displays provide essential track details, keeping you in control while adding a visual flair to your setup. A standout feature is the record box lighting mode. Sync your lights with your beats effortlessly, creating a captivating atmosphere at any event. It's perfect for DJs wanting to offer a full sensory experience, taking crowd engagement to a whole new level. Serato compatibility makes the DDJ FLX10 an excellent choice for professionals. Whether you're using Serato or record box, the controller delivers seamless integration. From advanced effects to intuitive controls, it adapts effortlessly to your preferred software, ensuring smooth workflows during sets. Track separation is a revolutionary feature, enabling you to isolate vocals, drums, or instruments in real time. Remix on the fly or craft unique transitions effortlessly. It's a powerful tool for creativity, giving DJs the freedom to reimagine tracks like never before. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX10 isn't just a controller, it's an experience. With cutting-edge features like track separation, record box lighting mode, and Serato compatibility, it's perfect for DJs looking to innovate. Whether you're rocking a club or streaming from home, this powerhouse has you covered. These are just a few of the many great DJ controllers that were released in 2024. The best controller for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your budget, the software you use, and the features that are important to you when making your decision. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our YouTube channel family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.